to my channel Creative Art. I am Nilima, and in today's tutorial we are going to make this beautiful Indian ethnic look plate wall decor. This time we are going to do the decoupage art from the back side of the plate, which is a glass plate, and for that we are going to use a reverse decoupage art technique, which is a total reverse of the usual decoupage technique we do. So friends, do watch the complete video to make this beautiful plate wall decor yourself, and do subscribe my channel friends for more creative art painting videos, and do press the bell icon to get notification for each video I post every week. Now let's quickly check out all the materials. To make this beautiful plate wall decor, first of all we are going to need a glass plate which should be smooth from both the sides so that you can see clearly from the front, and you can do the decoupage art from the back side. That makes the plate easy to clean as well as easy to handle. Next, we are going to need filament decoupage paper to place it on our plate. This pack contains two beautiful complementing design A4 size sheets, and this is the back side of the sheet, and this is how they look. There are a few more beautiful designs available from the same brand itself, so I'm going to link all of them in the description box below. Next, to place the decoupage on the plate, we're going to use Deco Magic Premium Decoupage Glue, and for varnish, we're going to use the Decore Varnish glossy version. To get this beautiful crackling effect on the paint, I have used my favorite medium, which is One Step Crackling Medium from the same little birdie. Other than this, we are going to use a few acrylic colors. You can also use chalk paint if you want. I'm going to use antique gold, fresh tint, purple and pink color. And with that, we are going to need few brushes. So here I'm going to use a flat hair brush of 38 mm and a flat hair brush number 6. To hang this beautiful plate decor on wall, we are going to need a multi-purpose hanger which looks like this. They come in two different sizes, 8-inch and 10-inch. The instructions are given on the back side of the pack, so you can easily use them to hang the plate decors on wall. Other than that, here I also have a photo frame stand which can be used to place the plate in this way, as I have placed it now on my table. All these materials will be listed and linked in the description box below, from where you can buy them online. And friends, if you do use my code, which is Nilima5, you will get an additional 5% off on any purchase from ItsyBitsy. They also have free delivery for your first purchase. So let's start the video now friends. First of all, we will start by measuring our decoupage filament paper with the base we are going to use. So this time it's a glass plate. So exactly try to place the plate where you want the decoupage filament paper to be. So this is the exact position where I would like to place my decoupage filament paper, and it perfectly fits the scene I want. Now using a pencil, you can easily mark the plate base with the filament paper. And then let's start by cleaning our plate base where we are going to work. So this is the main part. I'm going to use a glass cleaner. This is CleanMate. You can also use Collins. Spray it on your plate. Gently give it a clean rub. And then using a cotton cloth, clean it. Make sure that the plate is completely clean before we start applying glue. Okay, it's clean and dry. So now friends, I'm going to use a Deco Magic Premium Decoupage Glue. Pour it in my palette, and then using a flat hair brush, I'll apply it on the round surface, exactly right here. I'll clean the sides from where I don't want the glue to exceed using a tissue paper. And then gently we're going to place the plate. Just press the decoupage paper from inside to outwards. Make sure that there are no air bubbles, and finally we have got it. So now, just to make it extra sure, I'm going to lay one more layer of decoupage glue from the back side of the paper. Now we will let it get dry for 20 minutes and then we can do our next step. Now after 20 minutes, the glue is completely dry. So let's place some acrylic color to make the decoupage look much more bright. And for this part friends, you should definitely use a white acrylic color. So using a flat hair brush, I'm simply going to color the back side as white, only this round part. Let it get dry and then using a file or a sandpaper, gently start cutting the edges of the paper in this way. So this will help you remove the excess paper. In the same way, I'm going to do for all the sides. And now this is how easily you can remove this filament paper. You can clearly see how fine cut we have done just by using this file. And when we turn it, this is how beautiful and perfect it looks from the front side. So now friends, we're going to start decorating the rest of the plate using this. And when we turn it, this is how beautiful and perfect it looks from the front side. So now friends, we're going to start decorating the rest of the plate using this one of my favorite mediums, which is a one-step crackle medium. This is one of the best mediums to create crackles in just one step, and it's really very easy to use. Take a little amount in your palette and using a flat hair brush, simply apply it on the surface you want to create cracks. If you want bigger cracks, apply a thick amount of it, and if you want thin cracks, apply less amount. And it should be not flowing, so I'll smooth out everything very properly. Now we will let the crackling medium get dry for at least 15 to 20 minutes. Till it gets dry completely, let's prepare our color. The crackling medium took more than 20 minutes to get dry. That can be because of climate. But now friends, let's start placing our first layer of color on the background. And for that, I'm going to use fresh tint acrylic color and my favorite gold. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to pour both the colors side by side in this way. This much is enough. And remember friends, whenever you're using crackling medium, the layer on the crackling medium which you're going to apply should be on one stroke of your paintbrush. You should not repeat the stroke again. So first of all, here I'm going to take some cream in my paintbrush. I'll add this from both the sides in this way, and then I'm going to take a lot of gold from both the sides. So this is what will give a finishing stroke. I'll show you a sample. I think I'm going to go this way first and then this way. That's it. Load my brush again just because I don't want to mess up in any sides. So select the half, 1 and 2. Make sure that you're not repeating anywhere. You can clearly see how quick the cracks start forming. Again, I'll dip my brush into both the colors and go this way, again this way. Take some more color, continue, take some more color and continue. Now we will let it be for a few minutes, and you can clearly see how beautiful and big cracks started appearing on the complete plate. I'm not going to repeat any step, just filling up a few details wherever I left them, like this. Let the paint get dry naturally for at least half an hour to get the complete effect of this beautiful crackling medium. After 30 minutes, the paint has got dried up completely, and this is how beautiful crackles we have got all around our plate. If by any mistake you touch the plate before the paint is dry, you can rip off the beautiful crackles. So just leave it for as much as time possible. And now when I turn the plate, this is how beautiful it looks. The color absolutely matches the background, and the cracks are also so beautiful, big and clearly visible. So now friends, you can either keep it this way, it also looks beautiful this way, but I'm going to do my second layer of coloring using two beautiful colors. The first one is purple 336 and the second one is pink. Try to keep the second layer a contrasting color, so this will definitely go very good with fresh tint and gold we used. And I'm completely doing the coloring part according to the background of the image, as you can clearly see, which should perfectly match the chunni or the flowers or the designs here. Now using a flat hair brush, I'm going to take both the colors in my paintbrush without mixing them and gently slide them one by one in this way. You can also simply use a sponge and dab the color on the plate. Just brushing off the remaining color of my brush on the base, so it looks just one color, nothing much. Now we will let this coloring part get dry for at least 2 to 3 hours completely. It should be completely dry, and then we can do our final step, which is varnishing. As now the top layer of acrylic color has got dried up completely, so let's do our last and final step, which is very important for any decor or art piece, is varnish. So for this plate decor friends, we're going to use Decore varnish, the glossy one. I'm going to directly pour it on our base, and using a flat hair brush, I'll start applying it on the entire plate. This varnishing step will make sure that your decor lasts for years. And if you're going to place this plate decor in outdoors, like in your balcony or terrace garden, do apply 2 layers of decoupage varnish. Let it get dry for at least 24 hours and then it will be ready to use. Now after 24 hours, the varnish has got dried completely. So let's take a look at our plate decor. Wow, it has come as expected and it is so beautiful. So now friends, you can either hang this plate wall decor using a multi-purpose hanger like this one. All the steps are given on the back side of the pack, or else you can also place it on a desk or table in this way. This is a pack of 2 photo frame holders, and this is also good for holding a plate. Simply stretch the stand and place this glass plate in this way. Let me show you a full view of it. For now, I have placed the plate on a plate stand and the background is an ethnic wallpaper. This type of plate decors look very beautiful when combined with a few more of the similar type decors. Now let's take a close-up look of this beautiful piece. It looks absolutely beautiful. I love the color combination we have used for the background of the plate, which absolutely matches the filament decoupage paper, and the crackling effect adds an antique look to it, which shows as if this plate is quite old. This type of plates go very well with any type of ethnic decor when combined together. So friends, do give it a try, make it yourself, and do tell me in the comments below what do you think about this beautiful ethnic plate wall decor. And if you do like my videos friends, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.